Welcome to Miller Place, a charming coastal gem on Long Island's North Shore in New York. This beautiful community offers a rich history and a welcoming small town feel. With around 12,000 residents, Miller Place provides the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience, making it a great place to call home. Families are drawn to the area for its highly rated schools, including Miller Place High School, North Country Road Middle School, and Andrew Mueller Primary School, which are known for their strong academic programs and community environment. Located just a short drive from Port Jefferson, residents can enjoy easy access to the Port Jefferson Ferry, connecting Long Island to Connecticut, as well as a vibrant downtown filled with shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Whether you're exploring nature trails, relaxing at Cedar Beach, or grabbing a bite in a cozy cafe, there's always something to do nearby. Now let's step inside one of the largest homes in Miller Place. This impressive property sits on over an acre of land, offering endless possibilities, including space to add a pool. The front yard is beautifully kept, and that stunning large deck is perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. There's something truly special about this home and this neighborhood, and I'm very excited to show you. If you're curious and want to take a look in person, let's set up a time to chat. I'd love to show you around and help you find the perfect place right here in Miller Place. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.